Can dirty coils reduce cooling? Yes, dirty coils absolutely reduce cooling, because when dust and grime build up on the coils, your system has to work much harder to move heat, and that means your home stays warmer than it should, even when the unit is running non-stop. Think of the coils like the radiator on a car. They are supposed to release heat into the air so your home can cool down, but when they get covered in a layer of dust, pet hair, or pollen, it is like wrapping a blanket around them, and heat just cannot escape the way it needs to. Your air conditioner then has to run longer and harder to reach the same temperature, which means higher energy bills and more wear on the compressor, which is the most expensive part to replace. Here's something most people do not know. Even coils that look clean to the naked eye can have a thin, sticky film from cooking oils or aerosol sprays that traps dust like glue, so a quick wipe with a dry cloth does not always fix the real problem. A trained technician usually uses a coil cleaning solution that foams up and lifts that grime away safely without bending the delicate metal fins. If you want to be proactive, you can gently rinse the outdoor coils with a garden hose once every few months. Just make sure the power is off first. One common mistake is people assume a dirty air filter and dirty coils are the same issue, but they are not. Changing your filter regularly helps protect the coils, though it will not clean coils that are already caked with buildup, so both need attention separately. Another misconception is thinking that a system blowing cold air means everything is fine, when in reality dirty coils can still let cool air out while secretly costing you way more money and shortening the lifespan of your unit. A good tip here is to schedule a professional coil cleaning at least once a year, ideally before the hot months hit in 2026, so your system is not straining right when you need it most. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.